Welcome back to Car Dabbler, where we'll dive into the top speeds of police cars. Join us as we explore the power behind these incredible cars. Let's get started. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this.